Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today being last day of the week, I would just like to wind up by showing the live trading videos so that everyone who are learned the strategy and everyone who are taking the trades can also trade the same way I'm trading without any mistake just by spending 2 minutes of your time. And if you also want to know how to trade within 2 minutes of your time and make quick money and spend end of your day concentrating on your work or on your other activities, then stay tuned till end of the video. You will know how I'm placing my trades without much tension, without much complication. Just in 2 minutes I'm finishing the trade and I'm happily carrying forward with my work. Okay, so people who are watching the video for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and there is a latest update video on covered calls. You can see how to use covered call option strategy. It is very well accepted. It's giving very good results. People those who are doing paper trading are also feeling it very useful and very comfortable. So in case if you also want to just try, just make use of it. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell icon. You'll be getting lots of notifications of my latest updates and all videos. Lots of hand holding also done, lots of support given, and also all the Excel backdashed files have been shared. So any support, if you want to grow your career in trading step by step, I would not recommend 100% 200% within 1 or 2 months or 1 year. If you want to learn your basics strongly and trade systematically with a good mindset, then this channel is best for you. You will get the all kind of support. Okay, so let us go to today's live trading video. And this happened today at 9:15. So the stock selected is ICICI future. So add ICICI Bank features to the watch list so that everybody also can take the same calls. Okay, so today's sell price is 332, target and stop loss is 1. So let me also place my trade. There will be sufficient time to place a trade. Sorry, it is 332. Okay, I'll keep a small buffer of 20 paisa. Target and stop loss is 1. Okay, so you can see that my order is pending, trigger pending. So that's it, what you have to do. Okay, you can see the time is 9:18. So by within 9:20, 9:30, we usually finish our trade and then we go home. We carry on with the work. We don't have to look into the screen again and again. So you saw me just placing a single trade. Okay, so today we were very fortunate because I had little time to show you, record the live trading video. You can see it is still 9:28, and you can see that initially 9:32 was triggered, and then a target of initially 332 was triggered, and then our target also got hit easily, 331, and our stop loss has been cancelled. So friends, you can see this is a specialty of bracket orders and OC orders available only in Zerodha and Upstock. If you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, you can use the link which I provide in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. So open trades meaning I am also trading and I am sharing it same way WhatsApp as I showed you. So today was a very profitable day, and loss or profit, friends, it is not the question here. The question is how easy you are to place your trade. You can see that just by placing that trade and then switching off your mobile, or you can even concentrate on other works, but your target is done for the day, or even if your stop loss is done for the day. This is how you have to do systematically daily. So by doing this, what happens is end of the month you will be in positive average because you are taking very good trending stocks, and there are many criteria for stock selection and entering and all those things. So all these things you can learn from me if you want, or you can who want support can just directly take the calls from me. Friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you're watching for the first time, and also don't forget to press the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.